My pump for my air blower went bad, and to find a new one's not that easy. And once I did find it, I thought if it worked and fit pretty fair, I thought I would share it and save other people the problem. Here are the part numbers. It's made by EMPI. It's a CV boot. The part number is 86-2340-D. And this is what you get. This boot right here. I had to use a zip tie to hold the bottom on. And I got a regular hose clamp for the top. It works like a dream. I thought I'd share that. Thank you and share it. Bye.